guys, welcome to a new webisode. Today we'll be doing some fucking weird shit. Doodle bud. Oh, no, don't fuck.
I'll blow you out of everything.
Shine your light over there. Shine your light over
Featuring
there. Shine your light over there.
I have no shirt on. I have no shoes on.
It's open from last time.
I swear to God, did they lock it?
Wait, it's open, dude.
They redid it.
Wait, it's open. Wait, this one's open.
No. No. Top.
Wait, it's open. Wait.
No, alright, wait.
Shine your light on this.
They redid it. They re-welded it.
Brennan, shine your light on this.
Something take a piss.
Alright, I'm gonna check if this door up here is locked. Because they re-locked it. Ow. They re-locked it! I can't believe they re-locked it. I'm so pissed.
No, they didn't. Look.
No, is that mine? He threw the slamming at me.
Wait, look, it's open. Look,
It's so
open.
cool.
Oh, wait, it's open. Look. Where's the weld?
There's no, it's on the inside.
So.
Wait, can you unlock the door? Is it open?
Oh, you don't need
Nah, we're going down to... I'm going down to check out the weld on the door and see if I can break it.
Yeah.
I got it.
Cause I should have brought the crowbar.
You actually should have.
Should have thought, yeah.
Nah, just wedge Brennan's dick in it. It's so big.
Probably Rocky's is bigger. Fuck.
Rocky's
Nah.
just fucking big.
Mine's just small. Fuck, these are connected, mate.
You have a massive force.
Oh, don't grab the fucking cords.
I honestly do.
Yeah, I saw the end of his watching. I thought it was the picture Joel had in his Snapchat.
Yeah, I said, what the fuck? It's massive.
No, it wasn't.
That's barbed wire. Dude.
I thought this one.
Wait, that's
Shit.
barbed wire.
He thinks like the Jew that never got captured by the Nazis. This is not.
Unstoppable.
Get it, because they're... Come on, Loki. We can't get in.
Wait! Whose Slurpees are these? Do you want your Slurpees or no? I'm having them. Pingu represent. I'm gonna drink it that I found. Oh, Hey, 7-Eleven represent, proudly sponsored. 7-Eleven Backsmash, if you want to chuck us a sponsor, feel free, because like, we come to your store every day, because like, we're this. Oh, Daddy.
That's why I like you more.
Thank you, Daddy.
Doodle.
I wet my pants, look. Longs and bare feet and some runners, cause your shit cunts.
What time did you go to bed?
Like 30 did it.
I go to bed at 4 every morning.
Well, when
Oh, I landed on the...
there's a car. Stay here, stay here. Turn your phone on.
21.
Well, you guys can look ahead. You and Lockie. And then me and
Taxi! Play! Did that hurt?
Oh, shit.
What?
Did that hurt?
Did that hurt me?
Yeah.
I threw it.
How long's the video go?
You do. Where did it go?
I don't know.
I thought it was your hand.
Nah.
Hey, what'd you think it was, you cunt? What'd you think it was?
ODI grip.
It's a masturbation.
It's a razor grip.
Razor grips are foam.
Yeah, I know. There she goes.
Guys, they're breaking.
What?
Wait, so what does it do? What do they?
They go in there and then they smoke weed and then...
Oh, yeah, I've seen a real photo of a Satanist group. Like, cutting
Wow,
themselves
want
into
a fucking trophy?
Yeah.
What's a Satanist group? Are you gonna tell me?
Thank you. Hey, I just figured out how to improve the quality.
Why don't we just make a coffee then?
When I was a little boy, I used to be able to play one of these.
It's probably only because
Back it.
wait, do you know you
Damn.
can steal so many instruments from there? Oh, look at the stars.
No,
Remix King again.
verbally I bashed him.
Sick dog!
Yeah, you used to be really
Doggy
weird.
dog!
Sit in the back of the car.
Fuck off, dog! Shut up! Come on, daddy.